Hi guys, I'd like to introduce to you the PODmini conference speaker. Now, if you need to do many conferences and you have a room set up for business meetings and you have many people that need to speak at the same time, this PODmini might be exactly what you need. It allows you to talk hands-free, and what's really nice is the built-in software automatically adjusts the volume so that it can pick you up wherever you are in the room. Even if you're close to the unit, 3 meters or even further away, up to 5 meters, it can adjust the gain so that it can hear you clearly. It also has echo cancellation and noise suppression. So this device is really easy to use. All you need to do is plug and play. You can plug it into a laptop, you can plug it into a computer, and use it in many different situations. It's a table microphone that allows you to talk hands-free. So it saves you from using a headset for a long period of time. What's really nice about this design is it's got a triangular design, three buttons on the top. It has 2 microphones built in with one main speaker in the center. It has easy to use volume up and down button, and the middle button's a mute button. On the front of it, it has 2 USB 2 port connections, which allow you to plug in external devices. So it's really simple to use. It's plug and play friendly, and so you could use it in a conference room, or if you're having a business meeting with a bunch of people. This unit would work really good for that. So let's unbox it. Let's have a look at what's inside. So opening it up, we have a nice plastic cover protecting it during transport. Inside we have the user manual. Yeah. Okay, let's take the plastic off. It's a nicely built unit. The quality of it looks really good. Finish, it's got a nice finish. As mentioned before, you can see the buttons on the front. Three simple to use buttons. In the center, it has the mute button, the volume up and the volume down. On the front of the unit, you can see here, it has the 2 front-facing USB ports. So if you want to plug in additional devices, you can do that. It has 2 microphones built in, which is fantastic. So if you are close up, it can hear you really clearly, even at 3 meters or even up to 5 meters. It also has gain control. It automatically adjusts the volume so that it can clearly hear you. It's got built-in echo cancellation and also noise suppression so that it will clearly hear what you're saying. So let's try it out. Let's plug it in now. So you notice when you first plug it in, as I just did to the USB port there, the green lights light up. So that shows you that it's active, ready to use. If I was to press the mute button, you'll automatically see that the lights turn red on all 3 sides. So you know that the device is muted. So let's test this out. We'll go to YouTube and we can play some news and you can hear how it sounds.
Nice suits. You guys blend right in.
The world needs you back.
I'm retired, Greg. You know this.
People are taking financial advice from me.
I'll get my onesies.
So another way we can see how loud the volume is if we play the same audio again from the speaker, and I'll cover it with my hand, and you can hear the volume difference. Here we go.
Welcome you back to Inside the NBA, presented by the Dallas Mavericks. This is really bad. For San Antonio, last day of the season.
So you can really hear that this small unit actually produces a lot of volume for the size. How about the microphones? Well, let's just test how good the microphones are. So now we're using the built-in microphones from the PODmini. You can see that I'm sitting in front of it, I'm speaking over it, and it's picking up my voice quite clearly. How about we do a test when I'm a few meters away? Let's test it out. I'll go to the other side of the room. So this is my voice from almost 3 meters away. Doing an audio test now. What do you think of the clarity? So now back at the seat, you can really see how the device sounds through the built-in microphones. What's also really nice is when you go to pack this up, it has a place to store the cable. So if we look underneath, yeah, you have a position here to wind your cable up. So let's unplug it. Show you how to wind it up underneath. You can wind it up. The table's nice and long. You can place this in the middle of the table. And this table is super, super long. And this table is 3 meters long. Maybe I should have done that before. There we go. If you're looking to buy a new conference speaker, I'd highly recommend the PODmini. It'd be good to use in a conference room or for business meetings. If you have multiple speakers at the same time in different parts of a room, this device would definitely be good for you. I would highly recommend this PODmini.